Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to install gutter guards in quick and easy steps. So the reason I'm going to install it here is because I have this corner which is pretty remote and hidden from the predators, and birds keep nesting here all the time. The moment I remove their nest, and it's sparrows, they keep bringing another nest here. So I need to put gutter guards here, and hopefully it will close the gap and it will make them impossible to make another nest. Another reason you might want to install gutter guard obviously is excessive leaves, which will help holding these gutters clean from the leaves. So I bought this very cheap gutter guards. It's basically a mesh, and the challenge I have here is they're a little bit wider than my gutters. So I'm gonna cut them along and put them into the gutter. To cut these gutters or any other gutters which made from metal, you will need scissors for the metal. You will need something to measure the length or width, and obviously a pair of gloves. The gutter guard should sit flush with the gutter. So what you need to do is just put your ruler till the edge of the gutter and measure from one edge to the other. And for me here is 5 1/4. So that's how I'm gonna cut the gutter. So this particular gutter has some edging that's designed to go under the gutter edge, and basically I just need to measure 5 1/4 here roughly, and you can see I'll have to cut 1, 2, 3 cells all along. As I measured, I'll just remove 1, 2, 3 cells in the middle, like that. And it's very easy to cut. Just make sure that you wear protective gloves because these edges are very sharp. You can see it's very easy to cut. So now this is ready. We're gonna place it in the gutter. When you install multiple gutters, you might notice there is an edge that allows a second gutter to fit in. So make sure that you install it with this edge, and basically this is not the proper installation. You have to make sure that it goes inside. So if I do it with one hand, it's very easy. That's it. Now you can see the gutter guard is flush with the gutter, and I'm gonna install one more. So the second gutter goes in the same fashion inside. And now I'm gonna just move it here and connect it to the one. That's it. So both gutters are installed, and it is a little bit here, a little bit loose, but it's fine for me. And if you have access, you can just bend it a little bit. That's what I'm gonna do. But overall, it's good enough, and it's gonna protect from leaves. It's gonna protect from birds nesting, and we're good to go. At loose end, so basically I just bend it a little bit, and see, It's pretty flush. This gutter guard, and no way birds can make a nest here or leaves can get in. There is one additional thing you might want to consider to stop birds sitting on your gutters. It's very simple. You might want to make some spikes from this wire. So I took galvanized wire. Uh, it's 14 gauge galvanized wire, and then you cut it with the angle so they're sharp like that. And basically make sort of spikes like this, like that. And it's gonna be easy to remove in case you need. Insert them like that. I like that. I like that. So it's gonna get them harder to sit here or to fly through, and will stop them to from sitting on these gutters, on the edges of the gutters.